guys, what is going on? It's Jack here as I hang on, wait, just wait a second. There we go. Just as I lock the door, it's about 5:30 in the morning, I think. About 5:30 in the morning, heading to the gym. Gotta do a day in the life of me. So we're gonna hop into the car. Let's go. We're gonna hop into the car. It's pretty cold. So yeah, to be completely honest with you, I don't usually wake up at about 5 to go to the gym at 5:30. Just of recent, I've been waking up a lot earlier. I've been trying to wake up a lot earlier. And I thought, hey, look, why not, might just be a great idea to just do a day in the life of me, become a YouTube vlogger. Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. It's actually so cold. It doesn't usually get cold in northern Queensland, but since it's like becoming into the middle of winter, it's like, I think it's around like 12 to 15 degrees or something. I've got the slightest blocked nose still, but my sickness is pretty much just gone. We're just going to go to the gym, and I'm just gonna listen to some music to pump me up. Probably afterwards we'll be finished. This is gonna be a bit contradictory, but we're probably gonna get some Maccas because I've been craving Maccas, so probably get that afterwards, and you're going to experience the wonderful life of me, a day in the life. It's going to be great. It's just going to be a great way to connect, and it's going to be awesome. So yeah, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to listen to some music that's going to pump me up, and we're going to go do this leg session. Whoa, let's go! Guys, I'm just your average boy. Oh, what? This? Don't worry about it. Didn't mean to flex. Oh. Whoops. Chance, if you're at the gym, to buy this is so good. I mean, I used to have C4, but apparently this is the original formula. I don't know, I think they've had a few since I started. Like, first pre-workout I had was years and years ago, probably like 2011 was my first pre-workout, maybe 2012. That is good. We are going to, and before you say anything, yes, I'm going to Macca's. Before you say anything, majority of my diet is quite good. I'd say at least like 80 to 90% of my diet is pretty good. Like, a few times a week I'll treat myself, but I always have it in moderation. So just a Mighty McMuffin, just with a hash brown, please. I'm gonna get hit with a fat.
Can you please go to the waiting bay?
Thank you very much. You too. There's a lady that works at this Macca's. She's an Indigenous woman. She's so nice. Every time I go up to the window, she's at the window that serves the food. She is always so nice and like so welcoming, so happy, and I like that. It like resonates. Every time I see her, I'm like, I'm gonna get good service. Like, she might not want to be at that job, but she makes the most of it, from what I can see, and that's good. I like that. Guys, what's in store for the rest of the day? Oh man, honestly, just regular stuff. This is a day in the life of me, and like I said, I don't usually wake up this early. It's about 6:30, just past 6:30 in the morning. The rest of the day is pretty much, I'll get home, check, see if I have any messages from students. I'll check on the Facebook group. I am doing a little bit with Shopify at the moment, so I'm going to finish off some of that. Pretty much making sure all the students are okay as well. Any maybe checking YouTube comments, seeing if I can answer back to that, or in the Facebook group, see if I have any answers to that. And just basically general housekeeping kind of stuff. So I do that majority of the time, because with my YouTube videos, I usually edit that later on. And yeah, the rest of the day, like, I'll film little bits and pieces throughout the day, but regular day usually consists of the gym, work, any extra stuff. If I have to do stuff, around the house or whatnot, I'll do that. Yeah, apart from that, just regular stuff, and then I'll probably just chill out. if you guys didn't know, I'll show you it, which will be later on in the video. I actually have a team. It's like an esports team that I play with, and it's for a game called Rocket League. If you guys didn't know, don't know what Rocket League is, check it out. It's a pretty cool game. But I've been doing that for the last couple of years, last 2-3 years as well. Now getting a bit more serious into it, because if you guys didn't know, another big dream of mine that I want to work hard towards is becoming a sort of a professional player in this esports scene as well. And if I can run my online businesses, do that while becoming an esports player as well for this Rocket League game, then that'd be huge. That'd be so many of my dreams, coming to reality. I know it's cliche, this day in the life stuff, but I know a lot of you guys want to know sort of what I do day in and day out, and I'm also stick to a bit of a routine. I'll at least go to the gym, 5 to 6 days out of the week, and just try and stay consistent with everything. And health, if you guys didn't know, health and fitness is a huge part in mental health. And for me, especially mental health is huge. I keep consistent with the gym, I keep fit and healthy, I make sure I don't eat this kind of stuff, make sure I'm eating healthy majority of the time, then I will be healthy, my body will be healthy, and that means my mind will be healthy. The gym is also a way, if you are struggling and you're not sure what can be like a type of relief for you, some people like to, and I don't condone this at all, some people like to drink alcohol, some people do drugs. I'm not into that kind of thing at all. I hardly drink alcohol at all. It's just, I don't enjoy it. That's the thing. I just don't enjoy, like, I'll have I might have some alcohol here and there. I'll drink a beer or, have something here and there, but I just don't enjoy it that much, so I don't do it. My sort of reset is when I go to the gym each day, and it really just helps to reset. It refreshes everything, and I come out of the gym feeling clearer in the mind. And some people meditate. If you can meditate to clear your mind, do that. But if you haven't tried the gym or health and fitness at all, if you're not doing any type of fitness, I guarantee you, get into the rhythm will really clear up your mind. How good that is. Literally one of the best parts of Macca's brekkie. I always talk about, not caring what people think and not caring about their judgment, but guys, my neighbors across the road, they're doing like yoga or Pilates outdoor sessions and stuff, and I have a Macca's bag. I think I'm just gonna conceal it in the towel. Look, I know I'm a big advocate for it, but I don't want to make them feel bad, so I'm gonna have to conceal my Macca's bag in the towel. I feel ashamed, but I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna look. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys as well. So like recently, I was just because if you guys didn't know, I'm figuring out this whole move stuff, because I might be moving to Brisbane soon on the download. But this stuff here, this little container on the bottom with the black lid, and this one here, that's some old gaming stuff, and I just wanted to put it up on eBay. I checked the comps, see what was sold, like almost $1,000 all up on on eBay. So I don't want to hear any of you guys saying that you can't make money. You all have stuff lying around your house. Just make an eBay account. It's free to start making an eBay account. You can just grow your eBay account and just list stuff. Look at what's been sold and list it for the same price. Charge shipping. Listen to Gary Vee. Charge shipping as well, and you can make money on the stuff. Like I don't use any of this stuff here, so I can just sell it. And yeah, guys, it was like maybe up around 20 items or so, and it was going to be almost $1,000. So guys, here are just some of my goals on the whiteboard that's on my computer. Just to let you guys know, this is just personal stuff for me, but I thought it might be interesting to you. Some of the goals I have are 20k per month. Aussie products, so I want to have another big Aussie product launch. I want to have 200 students in the course, 10k per month on the Aussie market. And I want to, just a personal goal as well. I want to have 100k stored by 2020 in my bank account. That's 100k stored, actually saved in my bank account. So they're just a few of my goals. And yeah, thought it might be interesting for you guys to know as well. I change these quite often. So like I try and hit them. The closer that I get to them, I'll change them and I'll increase them. So let's just say if I get to like 15k in 1 month, I'll change this to say something like, 40k or maybe 50k. And I'll just try and, I haven't hit 20k per month yet. But I'm going to try and reach it. And then once I get closer to it, I will increase that and I'll just keep trying to grow and grow. just like checking up on my YouTube videos. And like, I don't get because I'm at about 1,500 subs at the moment. I don't get too many views within 24 hours, but like this is almost at 200 views and this is like 22 hours in, so that's awesome. I think people are really liking this video. I just talk about the best thing to happen for Amazon Australia. I talk a little bit about Amazon PPC. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and check this video out. Just go to my, I mean, obviously you're on my YouTube channel now. If you haven't subscribed, guys, what are you doing? And I like my own videos, of course. I give myself love. You got to give yourself love, you know. But yeah, I'm really happy about that. That's awesome. Right, so it's about 11 o'clock. I think getting closer to 11:30. So it's not even lunchtime yet, and I've got a lot of work done, which is good. Checking on YouTube, checking to make sure, see if any students need any help, and now I'm just about launched my new Shopify product. I've done a whole new site, and there's new ad sets and everything. I've got to do 10 different ad sets on Facebook because I'm going to test this product out. Hopefully it will work. But yeah, I'm just on my laptop at the moment, just in my room, and gonna get this done. And then yeah, after that, I'm gonna relax for a bit before I get back into it later on and start probably editing this video. So yeah, I had a nap just before. It was like 20 minutes or so. I know, old man, I get it. Before I start editing this video, I just wanted some downtime. I did some washing and just did a few things around the house. And now just a little bit of downtime playing some Rocket League. Yeah, because actually got to train. So sounds weird if you've never played games before, but I do have to train because I have to play competitively later on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just gonna have some downtime now, and then I'm gonna start editing this video. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be, but look, we're just gonna go with it. It's a day in the life, you know, vlog style. You know, I'm a vlogger YouTuber now. You know, 1.5k subs. You know, big vlogger YouTuber. Yeah. So just just some of my schedule, some of my goals, if you will. Launch a new Shopify store. It's going to be a one product branded store. I did my 10 ad sets with one interest each, and that was you know, this ties in with the create new Facebook ads. So they're two of my goals. I launched the ads, so they will go live as of 12 a.m. My time, and then I'm going to run it for the next 48 hours and see which ones are profitable and try and scale this store. So we'll see how that goes. I might talk about it later on if it does become successful. Though this is just a testing stage because I do like the sounds of Shopify. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna yeah. Also, this is a bit of a behind the scenes kind of thing. So if you guys didn't know, this is where I sit at the moment. I don't have a proper desk for where I am because I use down here the area to film because of the lighting. So that's pretty much why. And this is actually what I sit my little desk that I got going on. It's a pool table. That's what I'm using as my desk. I use that as a desk, and this is the chair. I'll get a proper desk sometime in the future. Look, I don't need one at the moment. The lighting's really good here, and I'm going to continue to film videos here until I, you know, move or eventually, you know, go somewhere else. So that's pretty much it. So I'll give you a bit of behind the scenes on that too. So guys, as I end off this video, I'm going to finish editing it, but I'm going to give you this send off message now, just as if I knew how to work a camera. This is just coffee machines here. Now, if you guys didn't know, I'm a huge coffee lover. So I'm about to make a coffee. If you have any questions, like, I know that this video wasn't, you know, as insightful as a lot of other day in the life videos, but guys, the day in the life of me is just setting up a normal routine of work, making sure I get things done, making sure I'm going to the gym, making sure I'm keeping in a positive mental state. And you really need to make sure, a really big thing recently that I've been doing is trying to wake up as early as I can. Some days, no, I can't do it, but I try and wake up as early as I can the majority of days, and I'm trying to get better and better at it. It's the thing that I've struggled with, but it's the thing that really helps me. So it might not be the most insightful, but at least you guys know a bit about what I do and sort of, you know, day in, day out, and, you know, that I try and keep a schedule, and that's the most important. Just keep working at it. You know, if you're looking at this channel for Amazon, if you're looking at this channel for reselling, just keep at it and just work hard. When it comes to my YouTube, when it comes to my Amazon, when it comes to my course, it's all taken time, but I just have to put in the work, you know. And the thing that I really need to put into work more is this piece of hair that keeps dangling down. I'm so sorry, but I need another haircut. Apart from that, guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next one.